Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master Words English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Hello, Sarah, and hello to all our wonderful learners around the world. How are you today, Sarah?
I'm doing great, Daniel. I woke up early, did a bit of stretching, and had a delicious fruit smoothie.
Wow, that sounds healthy. That's part of your daily routine, right?
Exactly. And speaking of daily routines, that's our topic for today.
Yes, today we're going to talk about daily routines, the things we do every single day. And to make it more interesting, we have a special guest story.
That's right. We're going to listen to a high school student named Lily, who will share her daily routine with us.
First, we'll listen to Lily's story. Then, Sarah and I will talk about important phrases from her routine to help you understand everything clearly.
Finally, we'll listen to Lily's routine again, and this time you'll understand much more.
Sounds perfect. But before we begin, please remember to like this video, subscribe to Master Words English, and share it with your friends.
All right, are you ready? Let's listen to Lily. Hi, everyone. My name is Lily, and I'm 16 years old. I'm a high school student, and I live with my parents and my little brother. I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is turn off my alarm and check my messages for a minute. Then I get up, go to the bathroom, and brush my teeth. After that, I put on my school uniform and go to the kitchen. My mom usually prepares a quick breakfast, like eggs and toast, or sometimes just a bowl of cereal. At 7:15, I leave home. My school is not far, so I ride my bicycle. It takes me about 10 minutes to get there. In the morning, I usually have science, math, and English classes. During the break, my friends and I go to the school canteen to buy juice or snacks. At 12:30, we have lunch. I usually bring food from home, rice and vegetables, or sometimes pasta. In the afternoon, I sometimes have sports practice. I'm part of the school basketball team, so I stay until 4:30 p.m. When I get home, I change into comfortable clothes and relax for a while. I like to listen to music or play games on my phone. In the evening, I do my homework and help my mom set the table for dinner. We usually eat together at 7:30. After dinner, I sometimes watch a TV show with my family. Before going to bed, I take a shower and prepare my backpack for the next day. I go to sleep around 10:30 p.m. That's my daily routine as a high school student.
Wow, Lily has such a busy day.
She really does. Let's talk about some useful phrases from her routine. Daniel, what about wake up and get up? Many learners get confused.
Great point. Wake up means to stop sleeping, but get up means to leave the bed. So you might wake up at 6:30, but get up at 6:40.
Exactly. I always need 5 extra minutes in bed before I get up. What about her phrase, take me 10 minutes?
Yes. When we talk about how long something takes, we say, it takes me. For example, it takes me 15 minutes to cook breakfast.
Perfect. Now let's look at relax for a while. What does for a while mean?
It means for a short, non-specific time. Not too long, but not too short. Maybe 20 minutes, maybe an hour.
Great. And one more. Set the table. What does that mean?
It means prepare the table for eating, placing plates, spoons, forks, and cups.
Awesome. I think our learners are ready to listen to Lily's routine one more time.
Yes. This time, try to notice the phrases we just explained.
And don't forget, tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
We can't wait to read your answers.
See you next time. Keep practicing and have fun.
Bye.